Tasters, if that's okay. The elderflower, please. But the last thing you want to do is buy it and you don't like it.
Well, if you don't know the brand, yeah, obviously.
Huh?
If you don't know the brand, obviously it's best to try it, isn't it?
Never heard of the brand before. No.
It's because it's ours, that's why you do. No, we don't take it out everywhere and just dump it, it's just certain places we go.
It's alright. Which would you recommend?
It all depends what you like. What do you normally drink?
For cider?
Yeah.
Strawberry and lime.
Right, I'd say a Copperberg, that sort of thing.
Copperberg, strawberry and lime, or what's the other one? Is it grape or is it apple? Something sweet.
Try the cherry, yeah.
Do you know what? I normally don't like cherry.
You do not? Just have a little taste, see what you think.
Actually not bad.
And the difference between that and the commercial side is we actually manufacture cider and then add essence to it rather than flavour.
Ah.
So your Copperbergs would be a flavour added.
Yes, it's flavour. It's actually not bad. What about the berry?
Berry's a little bit sharper. That's more of a pear-based.
Pear-based?
It's pear, yeah. A little bit sharper though. A bit drier.
Yeah, it's dry. Normally I like elderflower on a normal day.
Right.
But I'm surprised I don't like that. I'm not even going to try the rhubarb.
The last one was.
So let's. It was this cherry we just tried.
Cherry you just tried off.
Not the perry.
No. Berry's in your hand now.
Perry's in my hand. Okay. This one is not really. Yeah, let's have one of the cherry, please.
Get rid of that.
Thank you. Welcome guys to another vlog. We are in Hertfordshire County show. It's sunny guys. It's a end of May bank holiday. Counties tend to do a show every year to highlight local produce, farm and agricultural machines. Will I say that? Same as agricultural stuff. So it's quite sunny today, so they don't have the animals out for too long, so they just have them on display, and then they give a bit of educational background to what the animals tend to normally do and how they go about stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around, get to see what's on offer this year, and probably pick 1 or 2 items for ourselves. Probably not gonna buy much, but we'll see what we can get up to. So let's go tour the Herts County Show. Let's go. So outfit check for the Herts County Show. Okay, we're trying to avoid the sun. Much better. Sunglasses from DKNY. Wig, Amazon. Earrings from Milton Keynes show. I got it from a Kenyan lady. Necklace. This one, cloudy necklace. DKNY. You can get them on my link on the bio. Cloudy, the dress from TK Maxx. Sandals. The sandals are quite old, from New Look. Watch, Michael Kors. Bracelet. Cloudy. The third one, I'm not really sure where I got that from, but I think it was from, I can't remember. That's the outfit check for today, guys. I'm trying to avoid the sun so that it's not too bright. But yeah, let's take you guys on a tour on the county show. It's been very sunny today, so not being out and about that much, trying to be in the shades as much as possible. So let's go. To be fair, at home, every time I say Alexa play Herts, it's always Amanda's voice that comes up, and then they tune into the local Herts in my area. So Amanda Holden and Jamie Thixton does the morning show, but to be fair, I love JK and Kelly Brook in the evenings. Kelly just cracks me up all the time. But yeah, so I am sitting in the Herts section with the car over there because there's a little bit of shade here before we continue on our walkies in the county show. One of the things you get when walking around the shows is you'll be given quite a lot of flyers. So this one says the STEAM and Agricultural Show on the 13th and the 14th of June. So if someone is into vintage tractors, steam engines, classic cars, gun and dog display, family dog show, trade stand, ship show, archery, motorcycle stunt show, then yeah, this would be for you. Then the other one I got given was this one, which is for tractors. It says the world record on the 29th to the 31st of August 2026. The STEAM and Agricultural one is on the 13th and 14th of June. So the tractor day is all model Ford tractors, craft market, ring displays, flying rhine, motorcycle stunt, live music, and gun dog demonstrations. Yeah, I got given quite a few, but I don't know where I dropped them. But yeah. As I was going around the grounds of the county show, I kept talking to trade owners of various businesses. Then I literally came across the end of the double harness squirrel, and I was like, oh, I would have loved to watch that. But once I went round the bend, I then realized they were having various competitions for equine showing classes, which I stayed to watch. They were having both the showing classes as well as the jump and various competitions. To be fair, the horses actually did very well despite it being very hot, because earlier during the day they had done the sheep competition, the cow competition, as well as all the various agricultural competitions that were going on, as well as the machinery. So they had done all that earlier during the day, despite it being so hot. So I just sort of stayed behind to watch the equine show. On the other side of the grounds were for the pony, which were which are for the younger horses, and then there were more younger riders on it. And it was quite interesting just watching them do one competition after the next, and being judged, which was actually quite interesting. So yeah, before I carried on and went on to the other side to then watch the horses as they were practicing on the other sides of the grounds. In all, it was a fun-filled day, and it got me thinking if I want to start horse riding classes, but we'll see. Just after viewing that portable house that can be on wheels, you can take it anywhere you want on holiday in the UK. You can literally move the house, tow it to the back of your car or truck, and literally just take it to any location, detach it, and you're like in a house away on holiday, and it's got all the amenities you need inside, which is wow. But then it got me thinking, should I go camping? Because I have done glamping before and I loved it a few years ago. I really loved it. So it really got me thinking that, yeah, I think I'm going to probably do some camping sometime soon. So watch this channel and you never know, we might just decide to start our camping life. So thank you guys for spending the day with me at the county show. Hope you enjoyed the stands that I've walked around, and the horse show that we had a few minutes to catch. Until the next vlog, we'll see you guys soon. Have a lovely day and see you next time.